What is up guys, Dan on this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the USB not recognized error. So first you need to press the Windows key and then you need to search for control panel. After that, simply open the control panel, and after opening the control panel, you need to choose the view by as large icons, and after that you need to click on power options. After clicking on power options here, you need to see that what plan you have selected, and from here you need to click on change plan settings, and after that here you need to click on changed advanced power settings. After clicking here you will see the option to change the USB. If you can't find the USB settings here, no worries, simply close this and then you need to search for device manager. After searching for device manager, here the device manager window will open, and from here you just simply need to go to universal serial bus controllers. Here in the Universal Serial Bus Controllers, you will see all the USB composite devices. Simply right click on them and then you just simply scan for the hardware changes, or you can just simply go to their properties and then update all the drivers, and you need to make sure that all the drivers are up to date. So this will solve the issue. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.